Najib Abdul Razak is hoping for a retrial over the 42 million ringgit SRC International corruption case. Najib plans to file an application for fresh evidence in his appeal, namely that Muhammad Nazlan Mohd Ghazali should not have heard the SRC case as then Kuala Lumpur High Court judge. Najib's lead defense counsel Muhammad Shafee Abdullah said should have recused himself from hearing the SRC trial against Najib, as the judge used to be a general counsel of Maybank.
Justice Nazlan should have disclosed because he is potentially a very important witness in the 1 MDB. So if he was going to be an important witness in the 1 MDB case, if he had disclosed, we could have raised necessary issues that he ought not to have been the judge to hear the SRC, because he would have got certain ideas about 1 MDB and therefore SRC, and therefore may have some prejudice to, this way or that way, we do not know. But nevertheless, you should not have heard, because you remember, the other judge was removed on the rumor that his brother was a chairman of a division of UMNO, nothing else, and he was removed. So we want to use that as a basis.
Nazlan was recently elevated to a Court of Appeal judge. Shafee added that the application would be to adduce fresh evidence related to Nazlan's purported conflict of interest. This was on the alleged ground that Nazlan's tenure with Maybank coincided with the time when the commercial bank issued a loan to 1 MDB. SRC was a subsidiary of the Sovereign Wealth Fund. Nazlan had convicted and sentenced Najib over the 42 million SRC International corruption case in July 2020. Najib currently has an appeal pending before the federal court to quash Nazlan's ruling to convict him, as well as mete out a 12-year jail term and 210 million ringgit fine in the 42 million ringgit SRC graft case. Shafee said if the federal court allows the additional evidence related to Nazlan's past role in Maybank, then he expressed hope that this ultimately could lead to a rehearing of the SRC case.